Hello and welcome to this 4-minute video. On my usual morning bike rides, I came across this back entrance to the Erie Shores golf course, which is located here in North Madison, Ohio. I haven't played this course in probably at least 4 years. Been having some back problems, so I haven't really played golf in some time. But when we had the opportunity to get access without having to go through the front entrance, we thought we'd come out here and do a quick shoot. It is, like most golf courses, and I've shot, the Madison Country Club course in the past. They're usually very scenic, and I love the way the grass is on the fairways and the ponds and the sand traps and everything just sort of looks so scenic. So we decided, it was fairly early in the morning, so you don't see a lot of people. There's one golf cart that you can see moving along there. And other than that, there was some other another group that you'll see here later on that's getting ready to take off and play some golf. But what we're doing, we're flying down the first fairway, and off to the left is the driving range area. I do remember that much, and a lot of times I come down here just to try hitting golf balls on the driving range. In the center of the picture, beyond those trees, which we're looking at right now, there's what looks like a green. That's the chipping area where you can practice your chipping. And again, this is the driving range area. In the background, you can see Lake Erie, which is very close to the course itself. So it's pretty nice. And while I was shooting this, I started hearing a bunch of golf carts, and I took it up and looked down, and I see this parade of golf carts, and there was probably 10 or 12 of them. You can see they're making their way through. Right now they're on some sort of a cart path, but momentarily they're going to cut across a fairway and then head to another cart path. And I'm not sure where they were headed, perhaps to maybe to the 10th tee for some kind of a league tee off, or shotgun tee off or something. It's been a while since I played, and I can't remember all of the variety of different things that they do here on these golf courses. But this course has been around for as long as I've been living out here in Madison, which was over 40 years. So it gets quite a bit of daily play, and of course on weekends and holidays it's extremely busy. As a metropolitan course, it's not very expensive. I think you could probably play during the week for less than $20, including a cart. So it's a pretty good bargain if you're into that. Anyways, it's a short video. We can see my white car there, and we're going to be dropping down here and coming in and landing. So I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Erie Shores golf course. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll hope to catch you in an upcoming video soon.